Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike.
I'm Tanya.
With Fowler Family Farm. Look at this.
Aren't they beautiful?
They are irises.
Purple, my favorite color.
So we are at, it says it right here. Y'all can't see it, but there's a big sign here. Twisted Bee Minis. This is a farm that Brandon's been to
Private
over
farm.
Yeah, it's a private farm. This is a farm that Brandon's been to several times over at Eddie Family Farm. He's been to this farm a lot, showing you guys all the animals. This is our first time here. We're gonna walk around, just show you guys kind of what she has out here. It's really pretty out here. It's yeah, it's gorgeous. But she's doing a lot of these irises, and there's tons of them out here.
Yeah, they're pretty.
We'll try to show y'all some of this. It's really, really cool. All right, come along with us.
About this? Oh, did the ostrich hatch?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So you just threw them ostrich shell?
Yeah, they'll eat the calcium. They're like
Nice.
this.
After we leave, they'll eat it.
Oh, for me? Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
oh my
sure
gosh. I love the pig. I want one of these pigs.
Yeah, it's a cutie coon.
Yeah, they're adorable. Thank you.
That's cool.
Sweet.
Thank you very much.
For me, a pig one wasn't we?
Yeah.
We didn't have one in extra large.
I love the piggy pig.
Well, you guys know I'm a big
So
fan
cute.
of livestock
Thank
guardian
you.
dogs, and these are two gorgeous ones.
Yeah, this is Belle
Aw.
and
They
Katie.
are.
Katie.
And look at all the ducks.
They're a bunch of balls.
So what kind of ducks are these?
These are Muscovies. They're
Muscovies.
actually a perching fowl. Like you see all these ducks and hear no quacking.
Hmm.
So they're
Not
awesome.
very noisy.
No, they chirp.
How messy are they?
All ducks are messy, but
So it doesn't
they're
matter about that,
awesome
they're still
for
messy.
growing topsoil as long
Yeah.
as you keep them in the right kind of
Conditions.
environment. Like see here, you don't smell anything bad. It doesn't look bad. They keep your grass short and beautiful.
So do they only use your pond, or do you keep water?
Yeah. Oh no, these are all up here because we sell their hatching eggs
Okay.
or hatch them, one or the other.
The little baby?
Cute little baby. Yeah. His mom is
Hello, buddy.
famous, Miss Lucy.
Hello,
Yeah.
buddy. You are
from
cute.
doing like the little goofy pictures.
You're so cute.
And I always said if she was a buckling, I would never sell her or sell him. And then he had a baby.
Boy.
You gonna get it right now?
All right, guys. So look at there.
I'm out here with my favorite birds. So,
This guy's getting mad at me. You hear him?
That's why I don't want turkeys.
Well, not me.
No,
they
they sound.
So she is picking up an ostrich egg. Look at that, guys.
look at that.
So how heavy is that?
Oh, I don't know. We can weigh it and see.
Do they get mad when you take their eggs?
Yeah.
Do
Yeah,
they?
that's why we're doing it now.
That's why we're.
because
I got you.
Because she's laying down. Or she's way over there.
Is it the one up against the fence way over there?
Yeah.
That's the boy.
Way over there.
Well, gotta hold it. Don't get too close.
This is the one Brandon was wanting to fight in one of his videos.
Come on, guy. Come on. Hey. Hey. No, no.
brave like Marie, though.
No.
I can go get two
There's the
grass. I'm gonna grab
Golly.
Oh, okay.
Look at that sucker. Push the screen, Tanya, so I can get it focused.
No, turn around.
It's an ostrich egg.
Oh, there's the egg. That's crazy.
Is that the first time you've held an ostrich egg?
Yes.
Me too. It's pretty cool. I want to know how heavy it is. It's not as heavy as I thought.
It's like a
I was
3 pound
maybe 2 to
weight,
3
maybe?
pounds. Yeah. I was
So-
thinking it was gonna be a little heavier.
So last night we made a video out here. She's got some ostrich eggs actually in the incubator. So once it takes, I think it takes 45 days for one of these to hatch. But once they start hatching, you have to actually take a screwdriver and pop it and kind of help it break out. And at first I was like, holy cow, but that's what the
Mama does.
mama does,
yeah.
is when which she's the one that taught me that, like, if an egg is hatching and it just looks dry, you kind of break it out until you see blood, and then you see blood, you just put it back in there.
Yeah.
And I've saved a lot of birds that way. So, and the same deal is like this has got dirt on it. A lot of people say, you know, you don't wash eggs. I've washed all my eggs and haven't had a problem yet. So it's pretty neat.
I'll let you show us first.
I'm gonna set this egg right over here.
You hear that turkey?
Yeah, he's making all kinds of noise.
There's Moo and Coco. Come here, guys.
That hurt.
No,
What the heck?
I mean, you're probably.
what you saying?
Don't put your head down there. He'll just have that.
He'll get my head?
Yeah, just put your hand up there.
Yeah.
Ozzy takes it nicer. And like it's crazy that you can see it in her neck.
Yeah.
You want some more? Go get you
Now,
some.
if they get a hold of your hands, you want them to get a hold of the hands, not just the tip.
He's like, nope, I don't want that stuff. Look at that. Look how small he is. That's a miniature mini.
I can't help it. I'm about to get some good. What do you want?
Now, what kind of pony is this? Is this considered a pony still? Yeah. Oh, that is really little.
Wait, is that the one I did?
Ow! Golly, you can take it all at once.
Did you get a piece of it?
Got a little piece of my thumb.
You should have told me I was over there. I didn't even know you were there.
You can see it in his neck.
Yeah.
Yeah, the grass. So she has how many varieties? 1,100 different varieties. Yeah. She has 1,100 different varieties of these.
Mom would love this, Mike.
Oh no.
She's got a bunch of her.
Really?
We have two down there. I've seen that one was putting the goats in the front.
I like this one. You like this one, I bet, Tanya. It's purple.
Yeah, it's pretty. I like the purple and yellow too. That one's pretty. That's peach and purple. Peach and purple.
That one is.
Unspoken words. I like that one. It's pretty.
Mama, hold that finger on Pepper. Put your finger.
Is this one gonna stay small?
Yeah, yeah.
Like the little,
Like-
the little one? He just thinks it's a.
He's just part of us.
This is cool. Watch this.
He's just part of the group.
I didn't
This
even
is
know
the
she
sheep
came this
I've
big.
ever seen.
It is,
Oh my gosh.
It is bigger than
What
every
the heck?
miniature horse we have.
Look at how skinny
He is
that one
huge.
Alright guys, so we've made it over here to the other side where these other animals are. As you see, there is a new member to the property out here. This is probably the biggest sheep I've ever seen in my life. If you've ever seen one like this, please leave it in the comment box. It is absolutely awesome.
Golly, he is very big. Look at that.
He's tall.
He's very tall.
Like he literally comes to my hip. He's taller than me.
How close can you get to him? He is big. He's a big boy.
Oh, I know. Yeah. Oh, you miss this? Huh? Yeah.
Is that a boar? That's a boar right there, isn't it? Yeah.
That's my friend Brittany. She is the vet tech over at Dr. Green's, and she needed a place to keep her goat. So.
Yep.
And- oh, you guys got to see the baby llama. It's real cute. So, good luck. Hope the sheep doesn't attack you.
I never did get the baby llama. I forgot all about
that. Yeah. Forewarning, it's already.
Where's the little one?
So.
What? Hey, where are the little ones?
The little
Braylon.
Your little kids.
in the house.
Oh, okay. What?
When we was in the
We got to keep our eye on him because we don't know really what he's going to do to us.
We're gonna get in front of you.
I think I'm gonna get him in that trailer, right?
Hey, as long as you're not the slowest one.
Here he comes, Dad.
Hurry's like the car. Look away. Look at him. They're like behind you. You're the slowest one right now.
I'm the slowest. He'll get me.
I'm the
There's
fastest.
Coco and Lumu.
Oh, look.
Oh, look at little baby. How old is he or she?
I'd have to look at when the auction was.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
About a month ago.
about a month ago.
Oh God. Look at him. Look at us like.
Hey guys,
Hi.
how you doing?
Can't see.
Now is that Daddy there?
Little.
Daddy, mama, and baby.
Is the baby a boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy.
Have you got to hold her yet?
At the Fowler family farm. Come along and ride with us through this life's journey we go through. At the Fowler